Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review, everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Coconut Shea Butter Scented Body Wash from Dollar Tree. This is 18 fluid ounces for $1. Yes! So I have used more than half of the bottle. I have about a quarter of the bottle left, actually. And I have been liking this product. I do have to say that I don't think it's as good as the Perfect Purity one, the Shea Butter one that I'm always hauling as well. But this one is a good one to definitely check out. It has a light coconut scent to it. It's kind of faint. So if you're sensitive to smells, that could be good for you. This particular product, it doesn't linger on the skin after your shower. Unfortunately, you'd have to pair it with some like coconut lotion, coconut spray, shea butter spray, that kind of thing, if you want it to more enhanced, heightened scent to this product. I adore the packaging. I love this pink lid here. It's a very sturdy lid too. And I love the pink color of the body wash. Now, as you can tell, it is slightly liquidy, but it is still a thicker body wash than most Dollar Tree products are. This is a Greenbrier product, you guys, and on the back basically it just says squeeze a small amount onto your wet cleansing puff or washcloth, work into a rich creamy lather, massage all over body, then rinse well. I will say that they do have that down right. It is a rich, thick, creamy lather. It lathers really well. It has lots of suds. My skin feels moisturized after using this, so overall I really have enjoyed this product. I will probably not purchase it right away in the near future because I'm loving the Shea Butter Perfect Purity body wash that I keep hauling so very much. I have enjoyed this though. Cute packaging, lathers really well. A lot of product for $1 for what it is. My skin does feel moisturized after using it. Light scent. And overall though, a good body wash, comparable to, I would say, close to the Suave body washes, you guys. So for $1 for 18 ounces, can't beat it. Can't beat it at all. Definitely recommend giving this one a try. It's been a good product. That's all for the review. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you have any additional comments or questions, comment below. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews. Check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links and reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming Dollar Tree videos. Thank you guys again for watching.